On behalf of Tourism and Travel, I'd like to thank you for choosing us to be a part of your New Zealand experience. I'm here to introduce you to your new home. So hopefully, I'm able to answer any questions you may have. If not, get in touch with us through the provided contacts. To open the fuel cap, on the driver's side, you'll find a petrol engraved lever just above the gas pedal. To close, firmly push on the door. Reminder that your camper must be on full on return. This camper is an automatic transmission. To drive, turn the key, and to change the gears, your foot must be on the brake. Please also remember to release the handbrake. When parking up, place the gear on park, pull the handbrake, and turn off the ignition. Please ensure you have the keys on you at all times. Gas bottle compartment. This camper comes with a 2 kg gas bottle that supplies gas to the stove. When you leave the depot, this gas bottle is switched off on both the gas bottle valve and the yellow lever. When you're needing the gas bottle, give it a quick shake first. Open the valve slowly and wait for a couple of minutes for the gas to flow through the pipes. Gas stove. This stove comes with 2 gas burners. To use, open the glass covering and hold the ignite button. Press the nozzles in and rotate for the flame to light up. Ensure you hold the nozzles down for a few seconds for the flames to stay on. When you're finished, press the nozzles in and rotate to the off position. Wait for the stove to cool down before closing the glass top. Fresh water. The freshwater tank supplies water to the sink. To use the fresh water, you must turn on the water pump first. To fill the water, collect the garden hose from the white plastic bag or the plastic container from the storage compartment. Connect one end of the hose to the water outlet and the other end to the dump station tap. You will see the overflow pouring out of the black tube. This is the indication that your water is full. Turn off the tap, close the valve, and disconnect the hose. Remember to take the adapters with you. There may be a case where there is an airlock in the pump. This means that the water pump is on, the tap is on, but there is no water coming out of the pipes. A quick resolution is to visit your nearest registered dump station. You'll need to refill your fresh water, even though it's full. Turn on your water pump and then place your thumb over the black overflow tube located outside the camper, so that the water is forced to exit through your tap. Grey water outlet. This tank collects the used sink water. To empty, collect the thicker hose that is stored in a black bag or in a plastic container from the storage compartment. Firstly, remove the cap, then connect the hose to the grey water outlet. On most campers, you'll need to bring the 2 locking pins forward to lock the hose connection into place. Place the other end of the hose into the dump station. Release the lever and let gravity do the work. When you've completed draining your wastewater, close the lever, remove the hose, and place the wastewater cap back into place.
To use the toilet, press it once and it will slide forward. To activate the flush, water needs to be filled on the right side. During use, always pull the lower lever forward, pull, to open the waste hole. The left button operates the flush. To empty the toilet, fold the lower cover forward, remove the flush hose, and pull out the cassette. The cassette can be emptied at any dump station. Afterward, reinsert the cassette and reconnect the hose. Use the provided toilet chemicals to control odors. Just flush once, and the toilet is ready for use again.
Power cable outlet. Simply lift the cover and insert the cable into the camper. Insert the other end of the cable to the powered site. And ensure it is turned on. When leaving, please ensure all plugs and switches are turned off and the cable is disconnected and neatly put away. This fridge and freezer operates off the house battery. To turn on the fridge, open the door and locate the fridge panel. Press and hold the on button until the lights come on. Right next to that is the temperature button. Choose the setting you desire and leave on for the duration of your trip. When dropping off your camper, please ensure all items are removed from the fridge and the freezer. Hold the on button again to switch the fridge off, and ensure the door is closed. Double bed. To make a double bed, remove the pole and tabletop from the center of the camper. Store the pole away and place a thick tabletop in between the seats, sitting on the thinner edges of the seats. Collect the bed extension boards located behind the passenger seat. Place the extension boards in between the seats, sitting on the thicker edges of the seats. Place the long, thin back cushions in the middle like a puzzle piece. Complete your bed with the bedding and linen provided, and you're all set for the night. To make the single top bed, pull the top bed slats out of the dome. So that's all from me. Once again, thank you for choosing us to be a part of your journey, and we hope you enjoy everything that New Zealand has to offer. Ka kite!